WhatsApp has rolled out a new concept or new feature called community on the WhatsApp homepage. If you are on your WhatsApp homepage, straight away on the top you will be finding these things, and extreme left there is a symbol which is rolled out recently. If it is not there, you have to just update your WhatsApp, then you'll find the symbol on your mobile too. So just after clicking this will make you understand this particular symbol or emblem is given for starting your community. Community can be created by using two or more groups in your WhatsApp homepage. So let's see, how do you create your own community. For example, start your community. I'm just pressing here. After going to start your community, it will tell you organize related groups. Start your community, organize related groups, keep chats focused, reach everyone at once. If you leave one message, all these groups whichever you are making as a community will get that message. So that will be so easy to get into a community. So let's see, get started. I'm just starting it. You can give your community name and community description here. So I'm just giving my community name as YouTube community, and the community description, as of now I'm not writing much. I'll be just entering as YouTube only. After giving these two things, you have to just press this one. So do that, and you are already there with one group on your community. So to create any community, you have to add at least one more group. That means two groups should be there, then you would be in that community. So I would be adding one more group here. From the existing groups you can make it, or otherwise you can create one more group, so that these two groups, whichever the first one YouTube and the other group whichever I'm adding, both will go and settle down in one group called YouTube. Just click it, so it's showing, see, add at least one more group to create this community. To be into community, you have to add two groups to that particular thing. You can create a new group here, or you can add existing groups. I'm going to add existing group. So existing group, I'm having new group, just I'm adding this one also to the YouTube group. Just after adding that one, just click here, so that now two groups are there in under the community YouTube. So I have two groups and just adding. So my community is created successfully. Now onwards, if I know something, both these groups, YouTube and new group, would be getting my message under the community YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel.